Hello. Good morning. Hi. Welcome to school. Good morning. Hello, Ketangyan.
Hello, good morning. Hello everyone, today we're gonna show you some good behavior and bad. We want you to do the good behavior. Hey, move! Excuse me, please. Give me a tissue. May I have a tissue? Hey, do this. Ooh, this color, this color. This color. Leave me alone. Hey, do that color, do this color. Oh, you should put some right there and a tree right there. And like... Could you give me a minute? Yes, sure. What are you doing? Can I borrow your pencil? Yes, sure. Thank you. Nali, let's play. No! Nali, let's play.
I'm sorry, I'm reading a book.
margrêtî هیوایەک بۆ ئایندەی منداڵەکانتان.